And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 68. Let me show you how you can use the Shape Builder tool to split objects. I'll simply create a rectangle here with the fill. And now I use the line segment tool. Let me just left click drag and you can see I have no fill and no stroke color. And I can split this rectangle using these lines. Let me just drag a couple, maybe like 4. Looks like they're gone, but if I press Ctrl A, everything is selected and I can see them. I don't need the top one here. I selected and deleted. Ctrl A again, and you can see how these lines are on top of the rectangle. And if I now use the Shape Builder tool, I switch the color for every segment so that you can see it properly. And we're not only recoloring this area, we're actually separating it from the rectangle by doing that. And as we have used a line segment that doesn't have a stroke, we have a seamless transition. So there are no fragments in between. These are shapes that fit neatly. And you can see that now when I detach them, there's not a single pixel left. And you can do that to every object in Illustrator using the Shape Builder tool. So if you just need a quick way to free-form split objects, I think that this is the method that you should try. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.